Okay, friends, so I'm going to show you how to get into your first Desmos assignment. First, we're going to go up to the address bar up here and type in student. It's auto-filling for me, .desmos.com. Go there. It's going to have this page. I want you to click Sign In with Google. And it's going to make you choose an account. Obviously, what I want you to do is choose your student account, which will end in calumetcity155.org, not your personal. For this demonstration, though, I am going to use my personal. So we have adding integers will be the name of your assignment, and I'm going to start that. Type your name. It might already know your name because computers are creepy like that. So press Deal to receive your cards. Drag cards from your hand to the red and blue areas. I'll show you that. So you gotta click on the little blue right here to drag it around. You gotta go in the red and blue areas, and your goal is to create two groups of cards with the same sum using as many cards as possible. What's a sum? A sum is the answer to an addition problem. So I will give an example. If I put 1 and 2 over here, I know this is back to first grade again. 1 plus 2 makes 3. So this red square has 3. It's maybe more of a rectangle. So this is pretty simple. I'll put a 3 up here to make them have the same sum. Now the goal is, though, to use as many cards as possible. So this is not the best answer, though it is one correct answer. You can technically rearrange all this and be able to use the 4 as well, and that's what your score ends up being. So you press submit and the robot will check your work. It says your high score is 3. If I used all 4, my high score would be 4. So that's up to you to figure out that. Now, eventually, it's going to get tougher. And see, it lets you skip around like this, but don't do that because you need to complete all of them for the assignment to be complete. So we do deal here, and you're going to see this one a bit more challenging. We have negative numbers. So just to review that, I will put -2, the 5, and the 8 right here and write out real quick what that means for us. So what that means is we have -2 plus 5 plus 8. Okay, and we put the -2 and the 5 together, adding them together, and we end up with 3. You can draw a number line for this if you want. We have 3 plus 8, and that turns into 11. So we have 11 total in this blue rectangle. And if I look over here, it looks like, just using my mental math, that's not going to add up to 11. So you're going to have to rearrange all these, see if you can use every single card in here. And I will tell you this. Sometimes there has to be one card left over, but I'm not going to tell you which challenges where that happens. That's for you to figure out. Try to use all of them. And if you can't, maybe you end up having to do something really simple where it's just, okay, it's just, let's say 2 and -2 will add up together to make 0. So I actually have 0 right here. And let's see if it takes that. Yeah. So I use 2 cards. So again, it's going to ask you questions like this, how to reflect. You'll get to the final one. And then once you've completed the final one, you can just go here and back to home. And I will know that you finished every page. Okay.